Nifty. So very flat. So it was a cup, and this was a handle, and this was a flat handle when mid caps were moving down, when Nifty was showing a negative trend, and that's where it has given me full loads of confidence to get into that trade. I posted that in FB, I posted it in LinkedIn, I posted in groups as well on Bank Nifty. If you remember that, I have given few. If you check your history in our group, I've given that chart. Uh, Wherein I was targeting on 2800, 28,500. So let's have a look at this chart. This is an ICICI, and this is where I usually call the trend. So this is weekly chart pattern, and you can see a long cup consolidation. So many weeks on consolidation, we peaked. There was a fake breakout, and we are trading in this wedge pattern. We made a low. We just tried, breaking down this channel, and now we are back into the channel. So this is something which we should look forward to. Anything which is taking above this rectangular pattern, which is 301 or 302, okay, it will give a momentum to the stock. Okay, so if it is breaking that, and if it is consolidating between this move, so I don't know, the next target stands at 325. And by what reason? The stock market gives us a lot of reason. It's not only, you know always a good result, but there is always a short opportunity of short trapping in. Okay, so if shorts are trapping, if the results are not as per expectation, shorts may trap, operator may drive against. So this is something which can happen. Okay, we don't know whether it is happening or not, but we will try to judge the momentum. We will see that where it's cracking. If it's cracking back to that 260 odd levels, then God forgive, I think we are making 220 or 198 as in low. So we need to see how it trends tomorrow. But looking at the previous candle, you can see the buying move. Okay, the strong buying moves, the strong. We can see the volume part, which is good enough to reverse. It seems as most of the selling is being absorbed, and there are less seller. So any dip, the first buying opportunity which stands for us is 281, and second dip is 275. Take a strict stop loss of 267. Stay in trade. If it hits, very good. If it you know carries in the way we are thinking, then we will hit 325 at the top. So you can take that risk and options just to lock your amount. Okay, so ICICI stands good. So overall, coming back to banking has strength. And if ICICI or the likes of Axis Bank, PSUs are already giving that support. So if things are moving good, we have 1,000 points participation on upside, which will carry this trade to 28,500. Okay, which will carry this trade to 28,500. That means any dip on PSU banking, it's a channel buy opportunity. You can trade well, you can trade in quantities with your stop loss in, and that's where I think you will make good money. So keep that in mind. ICICI has given a very good move from 250 odd levels to 295. There is a reason behind it. A lot of public, most of your analysts sitting on television, they were negative about these stocks on PSUs, and PSUs consolidated well. There was a short trap standing at two. I'm talking about SBI 250, 257, 258 odd channels, and the move, the strike which SBI has made, it shows that the bull is very much strong into the script, and it may not actually fall into their grip. So that's wherein, I mean, we have given the channel out. We are standing at 288, and again, any dip which gives an opportunity, I think 280, 281 is a good zone. You may participate in, and you keep on trading for 5-10 rupees. It's a good opportunity. It will consolidate again, and this may move in a channel like this. You can draw and participate like this. Okay, so if it is there, the next buying opportunity stands at 270. It will take a while. It will dip like this, move up, dip like this, move up. So it's a weekly channel, but if you make it daily, you will get a lot of
So cup and
opportunities.
handle on daily.
Technical cap here. There's a technical cap in daily at 273. So probably we went out of this channel. There is a selling. We're trending down to 273. On a daily, it seems as if 273 is a good buying positional play. Okay, so that's where you can have that entry. Okay, so Bank Nifty and Nifty is good to go, but this will consolidate a while. But we don't know what will happen after some time. So it's for a limited time offer that we are playing in a channel. So just try to be active and changing your mood. If you have been trading for next 5 days in a sideways trend, just be active, be alert, because likes of Maruti, or maybe we need to check other counters, maybe Reliance or other counters may start reversing, because index management is only done by 5-10 stocks. If these stocks tends to behave other side, then we are planning for a downward move as well. So be active at this point. We are standing on the verge, so probably we may fall either side. Okay, so just be active trading the stocks.